Guys, sa labas na naman kami.
I burped.
May pa-birthday dun sa harapan ng bahay namin. Ay, yun. Yung Airbnb namin. Ayun, nakaligo na kami. Fresh from the shower. Tapos nag-relax kami. Nakasando na lang si Sumit.
It was so good. And I had my energy drink, so I'm fine now.
Oo. So, may energy na siya ng sobra-sobra. So, babalikan namin yung nakita naming manukan. Para siyang andoks.
Andok?
Oh, yeah. Like andoks, pero tawag dito? Mexican version. Ano yun? Andoks nila dito.
Selling something.
Yeah, which one? Oh, yeah. Ang dami dito yung mga tinda-tindahan. Ayun, may nagbibenta dyan ng something-something. And then right beside our Airbnb, they're selling like, what? Fruits and burger. Ganon. Yung sa may mini mart. Ayun. It is now what? Almost 5?
Almost 5:30.
Ay, 5:30 na pala.
Almost, yeah.
Almost 5:30. Sabi kasi ni ate, doon sa may manukan, magko-close na siya ng alas 6. Sabi niya ganyan.
Smells good.
Yeah, I know. Smells like
Rotten chicken.
Yeah, baho.
Mabaho.
Ayun, sabi nga ni ate, magsasarado raw siya alas 6.
I'm in Philippines. Yeah.
Presko siya. Nakasando na lang siya. Hindi ako nagdala ng t-shirt niya. Ako nagbalot lahat ng mga damit niya. Ang pinak ko sa kanya is puro polo shirt. Tapos eto, pantulog niya sana to. Sabi ko, kasi gusto niya daw ng relax siya. Wala ba akong t-shirt, sabi niya. Sabi ko, wala eh. Yun na, nasando na lang yung pantulog mo. Ayan, nagsando na siya. Kasi init na init siya kanina.
It's perfect weather.
I know, right? So nice.
And the shampoo and conditioner is nice. Yeah.
Yeah, ginamit ko rin yung kaninang shampoo and conditioner na nabili namin sa supermarket.
It's just nice. And the soap is also good. Yeah, my
Mabango
skin is
siya.
still fine. Like, it's not dry. And the smell was good.
Yup. So, ngayon, lalakad muna tayo sa manukan. Manok.
Manok.
Yeah, manukan.
Yeah.
Say manukan.
Manukan.
I don't know how to translate it, but yeah.
Manukan.
Just say manukan. Yeah, we're gonna be going to manukan. Tapos balikan namin kay mamaya. Okay. Butik tayong nakabunggo. Hello.
European style.
Yung pavement niya daw, oh. Yeah. That's why I keep saying Ilocos Norte. You remember when we drove to Ilocos Norte?
Yeah.
It kind of looks like a Europe, right?
Europe, yeah.
Oh, yeah. So, ganun siya.
Oh, so many mangoes, babe.
Wow.
There.
I see. Pwede ba makipitas, kuya? Ask kuya if you can take some.
Yeah.
Then we will put chamoy and tahin.
Tahin.
Yum yum.
Nice. I liked it.
Sabi namin ni Sumit, yeah.
So good.
Yeah, I said we told ourselves that if ever we're gonna be buying the check-in luggage,
Yeah.
we're gonna buy the sauces like
Yeah,
tahin
so many
and
sauces.
chamoy,
Seasonings.
seasonings,
Yeah.
lahat na.
So many. Yeah, I want that. It's so nice.
Yun nga kasi yung sa airport nga guys na nagbayad din naman kami ng bag namin kasi what happened is that they provide you a different like sizing on the internet.
Online. But when we were there,
Yung
it was different.
yung
Like,
pang
it was
measure
so
nila.
small.
Yeah, so small talaga siya.
Even the other lady, she was shouting at them, right?
Oo. Kala ko nga magkakaroon na ng malaking problema kasi yung kasabayan namin, yung nakasunod sa amin, nagrereklamo siya. Tapos parang gusto niya nang talaga makipag-away dun sa mga tawag dito. Yung nasa check-in area ng mga staff. Gusto niya na makipag-away. Sabi niya ganyan, bakit dun sa online, iba naman yung sizing. Tapos sabi niya, this is illegal. Sabi niya, no?
Yeah.
This is illegal.
I mean, it's
gumagana siya.
fine. I mean, at least now we
Uy,
know.
basura ah.
Basura?
Pero basura.
Don't throw basura here. That's what they are saying, right?
Yeah, I think so. I know bote.
Bote.
Bottle.
See, some of the words are the same, right?
Yes. Two of my colleagues can speak Spanish.
Oh.
Because in their like, what do you call that? Grabe naman to. Shit. Gulat. Ay! Hanggang dito ba naman? Ay, gulat ako.
Yeah.
I'm scared. Yung dialect nila, ano bang dialect? Chabacano. Chabacano is like half English. Uy, tahimik yun. Yung isa ay todo bigay. Gina G yung isa. Bida-bida yung isa, tapos yung isa tahimik. Yeah, my two colleagues can speak like Spanish.
Yeah.
Not like 100%, but yeah. I speak Ilocano.
What is that? Bakery?
Oh yeah. I also wanna like go to a bakery. Parang yeah, I think it's a bakery. They sell chai. Tsaka may frap. Yeah. These are nice houses here. So tara na muna guys, lakad muna kami. Then I'll get back to you later guys. Babush na. Say babush.
Babush!
Dito na kami guys. Ito yung area na parang purong punong-puno. Yeah. Ito yung parang chooks to go nila. As ito yung mga karinderya. Diretso yan, karinderya. Ito yung chooks to go. El Pechugon. Yeah. Sobrang mukhang masarap. So, we're gonna buy these.
Yeah, let's check the drawings.
Ay? Wala na. You want me to ask? Are you closed?
Excuse me. Are you closed?
No,
It's still open.
Only
Only chicken?
chicken?
No more.
I think nadaanan namin kanina kasi. Tapos parang ang sarap-sarap nito. Oh. So only chicken now?
Only chicken.
Yeah, we can buy chicken. Wala na daw pala itong mga meal nilang ganyan, no? Nadaanan kasi namin to kanina. So just buy chicken?
Good work.
Just chicken. Okay. You wanna ask?
How much for the chicken? Which one?
189. Senda Chen Tan 9. Kompleto. No, ano, kompleto.
Salsa, tortillas, and chili.
189.
Not this one? Yeah?
Lamiertos, I don't understand. But she said that they only have that one. 189.
So,
Yeah.
this one?
Yeah.
Or we go somewhere else?
It's up to you. What do you think?
Yeah. We are already closed.
Ayaw na, no. Aga nga nila magsara. Alas 6 nga. So, ayun. Maglalakad muna kami
Bad
kasi...
But they told us like 6 p.m.
6 p.m. What is the time now?
It's 5:30.
Actually, they're still open, but they're only selling like the whole thing. Yung whole chicken lang daw ang meron, sabi ni ate. Tapos yung gusto pala ni Sumit, tuwing Miyerkules lang.
I want fresh, like, I want to see.
Sabi ni ate, basta hindi ko naiintindihan, yung mga naririnig ko lang na, yung mga naintindihan ko lang words. Sabi niya, promotion, tapos sa Miyerkules, sabi niya ganyan. Tapos, Miyerkules, every Wednesday.
Yeah, she understands. For me, I don't understand anything. It's like flying from here.
So, every Wednesday lang pala yung gusto ni Sumit. So, ayun, sabi ni Sumit, gusto mo pong pumunta dun sa iba. Sabi niya, sa iba, maglalakad tayo. Sabi ko, sige, go. Meron pa akong energy maglakad-lakad. So, lakad-lakad na lang kami. Papaya, oh. Papaya tree.
Wow, here. Wow, leaves.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Ayun. Ayun lang. So, I think, makaka-survive kayo dito. I think Filipinos will be able to at least survive.
Yeah, at least survive here.
Because you will understand few words.
Yeah.
Parang ako puro few words lang. Like the whole sentence and then one word.
Yeah, just one word. Oh yeah, Wednesday.
Oh, Wednesday. Sabi natin, promosyon. Miyerkules. Ay, sabi ko, okay, every Wednesday. Okay. So, maglalakad muna tayo.
Your fruit, auntie.
Oh yeah, I remember now. So we're just gonna take a walk first, guys, kasi may energy pa naman ako. And we'll see what to eat. Tapos medyo busog pa rin naman daw si Sumit, sabi niya. But maybe we can try that next time.
Yeah.
For now, we'll just take a walk. Kasi sabi ni Sumit, eat chicken with what? Sabi niya.
Yeah.
Gusto daw niya ng
Because
something.
if they are gonna just give us the chicken, then eat with what?
Oo, yun yung problema niya. Okay lang sa kanya yung manok, pero gusto niya kumain with tortilla or with rice or something. Ayaw daw niya ng manok lang. So maglalakad tayo, maghahanap tayo na ibang kakainin. Meron kaming nakita dito drum and lyre. Ayan o, meron dito. Sabi ko guys, Sumit, naalala ko nung nag-play ako ng xylophone sa drum and lyre nung elementary days. So sabi niya, halika tingnan natin. Ayan, tingnan natin sila kuya dyan. Play sila. Pero drums lang to, wala namang lyre. So nice. Nice weather. Is this a school?
Yeah.
A school pala to, kaya pala may pa drum and lyre. Pero drum lang meron, walang lyre. Stitching down. Nice. That's it? Ayun lang pala. Kala ko naman may formation pa. Naalala ko yung namin dati. Formation! Sabi ganyan. No, form na kayo. They would shout formation and then you have to do the formation.
Look at this.
And you know that's the bike that looks like I don't know.
Oh yeah.
RTV ba yan?
Yeah.
It's called RTV?
Yeah, kinda.
Pwede mo siya i-rent kaso lang
How are you?
1.8 yata per day. And you can drive around. Eto, school siya. School, parang ground nila. Nice.
Nice. I think this time would be nice at beach.
Oh my god, yeah. That's right. Municipality pala to, guys.
Kamude.
Ha?
Kamude.
Kamude ba? Maybe.
Yeah?
I don't know. Is it nice to walk around with like just tank top?
Yeah.
Better than the polo shirt?
Yeah, better.
Kanina kasi pa polo shirt pa siya. Sabi niya, ayoko na ng ganito. Gusto ko yung relax. Ayan, relax na relax. So, may aircon all the way.
Hola.
Hola.
Happy hours.
Hola, amigos, amigas. Ay, nako. So guys, we're just walking around.
Start drinking.
Oh yeah, I like that. Can we do that? Naghanap kami ng kakainan. May nadaanan kami dun kanina. Nagsasell sila ng parang fried chicken na merong tortilla. So, pwede na yon, isang option. Pero lakad-lakad muna kami ni Sumit.
Thank you. Hey, sir. Thank you.
Wait, what is this chicken store?
What is this?
Hoyo Pechegon. Sumit?
You didn't see that?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
The one that you wanted. I think this is the one that I was like searching.
But you were saying that is that side.
Oh, they still have... Ayun yung gusto niya
Yeah,
kainin.
this one.
Pechegon.
Just buy that.
So that one, let's go na. Ayoko na.
No, we are near the supermarket. I just want.
Uy, they have menudo din, oh.
Huh?
Menudo is like tomato sauce
There?
with potatoes and carrots. I think so.
You didn't see the dog just now.
I didn't.
So small and so cute.
I didn't.
See?
Oh, it looks nice here. You want to see menu? Huh?
Oh,
Ayaw niya tingnan yung menu.
I just want to pee.
Ako din, naiihi ako.
I don't know but where.
Ano kaya yung ano nila? Kaya ako pa nakikita yung ano, bistek. Eh, ang naiisip ko yung bistek natin.
Karandaria.
Is it?
Yeah.
Restaurante. Chinese restaurant, I think. Yeah, Chinese restaurant. You want? They have boba tea, matcha, taro.
Casa there? Casa is there. What? You already crossed.
Okay, meron kasi kaming gustong tignan na lugar. Sabi ni Sumit na daanan na raw namin.
You're
So
walking
far.
in the bike lane.
Ah, sorry naman. Meron silang adobo, adobada. Oh, ang cute ng doggy. Napakaliit. Ito daw pala yung gustong puntahan ni Sumit. Supermarket. Hindi pa kami nakakain sa labas, guys. Baka bukas na wala pa rin akong Salida is exit. Yeah. Wala pa rin kasi akong energy. I don't think so. May nahanap ulit kami na na Pechubon. Ayan, bukas pa sila. But I think they're about to close too.
What is that?
Ayan talaga,
Just a
oh.
chicken?
Miyerkules. Promotion Miyerkules. 1 polo, salsa, tortillas, chiles. 169. This one, 1.5 polo. Pollo.
1.5?
I think so.
Polo is
1
chicken.
orden papas. 1 arroz with rice. Tapos tomatoes. Hindi ko alam eh. I don't understand. I only understand arroz.
Polo is what? Polo. Chicken?
I don't know. I don't know as pollo. Polos. Ayan, magde-decide lang kami. Yung parang hirap na hirap siya. Parang siya nag-e-exam. Good luck. Bumili na kami ng 1 whole chicken dito sa
Yeah.
Chooks to go.
Chips to go, yeah.
May kasama daw
We ordered that one. Complete.
complete. It comes with salsa, tortillas, chiles, and
chili.
Toriados. I don't know what's that, but
Thank you, sir.
189. Hindi na masama.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you. Yesterday you also paid how much for the food? 200 something, right?
180.
180. So it's the same as this. This feels more heavier and I feel like I'll like it more.
Yeah. Too heavy.
May doggy dito. Gusto ko i-pet. Eh, cute. You want to touch it? Halika na. Meow. Shh. Sok pa. Meow. Come, it's okay. We have food for you. Good kitty. Look.
We kidnapped her.
Nag-kidnap siya ng pusa.
We kidnapped her.
Okay, we will eat na.
Yeah, wait.
Wait lang.
Wait.
Oo na, ito na. Wait lang. Magsasaing muna tayo. Kanin? Are you gonna eat rice too? Ulo, feeling close ka. Ulo, whoosh. Ulo.
Wait. What do you want to eat? Huh? What do you want to eat? Yeah, I know, but... Oi! Tell me. What do you want to eat? Shh. I know. Here. Here.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sige.
Here.
We're gonna cook rice first. Rice?
Rice or chicken?
Chicken
Both?
and rice? Okay, wait.
Let's
Okay, wait lang.
go out first.
Go out first, later?
Go.
Sige, luto muna kami.
Go. Later.
Saing muna kami. Tapos tawagin ka namin. Okay lang? Okay lang ba yun?
Come. Come, let's go.
Wala, sama siya sa meet.
Okay. Later.
Later.
I'll get you later, don't worry.
Scammer. Scammer pala to.
Scam.
Saing lang kami guys, tapos tawagin namin yung pusa. Kasi kagabi pa yung nanghihingi ng pagkain sa amin. And medyo magulo na po yung kwarto. Ayusin ko na lang siya bukas.
Hi, yeah, time to relax.
Yeah.
Maybe later we go to the beach. Yeah, but that's all.
That's all for today, guys. We still feel tired, so maybe tomorrow na lang
Maybe
na...
we will feel a little better.
Today is...
After eating 2 kilo of chicken.
Today is our like first day here.
Yeah.
But then like we had like enough sleep, but we're still tired. Like super tired.
Too tired yesterday.
And not just because of yesterday too. Like the whole week we didn't get enough sleep, guys, because of our work schedule.
Yeah.
Mine, I have to start early. I mean, I'll wake up early at around 9 or 10. Then, because of course we stay in a studio apartment, it's kind of noisy for him.
Yeah.
So he wakes up early too, and then he sends me to work. Then after that, he couldn't go back to sleep anymore. And then for me, I have to wait for him because like it's hard for me to sleep without him. So ganun siya. Pagod kami pareho kami walang tulog.
Yeah.
Siya maaga magising, ako late ako matulog. Ayun, magsasaing lang muna kami guys. After namin magsaing, tikman natin yung nabili naming manok. So guys, kakain na kami ng dinner ni Sumit. Itatry niya yung parang roasted chicken nila rito sa Mexico, Puerto Vallarta.
Andox. Chuksugo.
It's the same, Andox too.
Andox.
So pinahiwa na namin kay Kuya. Again, it's Pechugo. El Pechugo.
It's your favorite.
Thanks.
They have tortillas.
So yeah, may pa tortilla wrap. I think it's made of
The sauce is good.
sandy.
Yep.
Tapos may birthday party pala sa labas.
Yeah, outside.
I can hear kids screaming.
Okay.
Yummy! Try it. Filipino style of eating chicken and rice. Good or good?
It's good.
Sure? Really?
Mm.
What's the flavor? Is there any flavor in there?
Mexican style.
Mexican style. Try ko din. Try ko din habang kumakain siya.
Salsa, chili, and all.
Yeah, it's good.
It's good.
I like it. Like
Nice.
it.
Yeah.
What's the sauce?
Salsa.
Salsa.
Good.
It's nice.
I like it.
Masarap.
Good.
So you should try this what? Pechugon.
Yeah.
Roasted chicken. Parang
Nice.
chuksugo.
I like it.
Kain, guys. Yum yum.
I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead. Baby, you'll get sick of being the